The sharp V-1 knee-type vertical mill features boxways structure with digital variable speed for increased durability, accuracy, and ease of spindle speed change. This machine integrates many unique features that are superior to similar machines on the market. The sharp V-1 is designed with longitudinal travel of 40 inches and cross travel of 16 inches. Vertical travel of knee is 16 inches. Table area is 12 by 58 inches. The boxways on the column and the top of the knee allow extra solid support to the table and saddle, ensuring high stability in heavy cutting. Boxways are hardened and precision ground for maximum wear resistance. The 40 inches of X-axis travel is fully supported by the 45 inches wide saddle, avoiding table overhang problems. The slideways of X and Y axes on the saddle are coated with TURCITE-B for better retention of lubrication oil and outstanding wear resistance after long-term use. The spindle provides variable speed range from 70 to 4,000 RPM, making the machine suitable for machining various types of workpiece materials. Change of speed is easily done by turning a knob with digital display of running speed. The table and saddle feeds are driven by independent motors, providing minimum effort for their movements. The rapid traverse of the knee is driven by a 1.5 high torque motor for effortless and quick positioning. The T-slots on the table are precision ground, providing an accurate reference when mounting a jig or fixture. Upon customer request, a riser block is available to be mounted between the column and the overarm, which raises the column to increase the distance from the spindle nose to the table surface. It allows taller workpieces to be placed on the table for machining, eliminating the need for a larger machine. The milling head can swivel 360 degrees, tilt 90 degrees right and left, and tilt 45 degrees up and down for angular machining.